How to create mind map in Miro. So first go to Miro, and then for example, first is you can either open up one of your boards or you can just create a new one. So just click on create new and then click on create board. Now once you're here, you just need to click on create with AI here at the left side, then click on diagram or mind map, and then you can just click on mind map. Now here you just need to describe your mind map. So let's say I'm going to mind map for let's say new game application. Okay, so you can just click on send here, and then the AI will start generating the mind map. Okay, now you just need to wait. Okay, now once you're here, as you can see, let's zoom out a bit. You can see the mind map already. Now, if you want to customize it, you can just use the options here to start customizing it, or you can just ask the AI to change something that you like to change. So, okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.